The, the originator of the Jain religion is Rishabdev. First Tirthankara Rishabdev or Adinath is known as the originator of the religion, Jain religion. Mahavir Swami was the 24th Tirthankara of Jain religion who propagated the Jain religion during 6th century BC. Question number 2. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jain religion? Rishabdev. Question number 3. Parshvanath, the Jain Tirthankara who was associated mainly with the list of the following places. ये वाराणसी से related है. Lord Parshvanath was 23rd Tirthankara of Jain religion. He was born in Varanasi, was the son of King Ashwasena and the Queen Vama of Varanasi. He obtained Kaivalya Ashpada Udayan near Varanasi and he attained Parinirvan on the Mount Shamat Shikhar or Samaveta. शमवत शिखर और समवेता अटेंड परिनिर्वाण मतलब नॉलेज की प्राप्ति में कहाँ भी शमवत शिखर समवेता में कई कंपेल्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग Tirthankara and arrange them in chronological order. तो सबसे पहले अभिनाथ जो है 4th थे, पद्म प्रभु 6th थे, विमलनाथ 13th, Manu Sharvanath 20. Where was the Mahavir Swami born? Vaishali. Mahavir Swami was born in Kundalgram, Kundalpur near Vaishali, approximately 599 BC. His mother Trishala was the sister of Chetaka, the head of Lichavi Republic, and the father of Siddharth was the head of Gayatri Kshatriya. Nandi Vardhan was his elder brother. Mahavir Swami का elder brother Nandi Vardhan. Question number 6. Kundalpur is the birthplace of Mahavir Swami was born in Kulnagram, Vaishali, 99 BC. He attained Nirvana at the age of approximately 22 years in 527 BC in Pawapuri, located near Rajgir. यानी डेथ हुआ राजगीर पावापुरी में, बर्थ हुआ वैशाली कुंडलग्राम में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. द सेलिब्रेशन प्लेस ऑफ महावीर जी, द ओरिजिनेटर ऑफ जैन रिलीजन, इज लोकेटेड एट पावापुरी. ऑन द बैंक ऑफ विच रिवर महावीर स्वामी अटेंड रिजुपालिका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. महावीर स्वामी अटेंड इनलाइटमेंट एट द बैंक ऑफ रिवर रिजुपालिका नियर द विलेज ऑफ जिरीमभिक. रिजुपालिका रिवर विलेज का नाम है जिरीमभिक. The world Tirthankara related to Jainism. Question number 10. Related to Jainism. अभी 24th का नाम दिया हुआ है. पहला हो गया ऋषभ, अजित नाथ, संभवनाथ, अभिननाथ, सुमतिनाथ, पद्म प्रभा, सुपर्ण प्रभनाथ, चंद्र प्रभा, स्वामी दीनाथ, शीतल पूजिया, विमलनाथ, अनंतनाथ, धर्मतनाथ, शांतिनीनाथ, पुतुनाथ, अरनाथ, मल्लीनाथ, मनशिवरनाथ, नमीनाथ, अष्टेश्वनी, पार्श्वनाथ, महावीर स्वामी. हुआ तो लास्ट वन द ऑर्डर ऑफ जैन तीर्थंकर. लास्ट हो गया महावीर स्वामी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज द नॉट जैन तीर्थ. चंद्र प्रभु हो गया, नथुमणि, नेमी, ये नाथुमणि नहीं है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Parvashgiri is a pilgrim spot of Jainis. Parvashgiri. Parvashgiri, the Jain pilgrim, is located in Kaushambi, UP. The site prominently related to Jain 6th Jain Tirthankara, Padam Parva. The Jain religion, which word is used for complete intellect? Kavalyan. The word Kavalyan used for the complete knowledge in the Jain religions. Mahavir Swami obtained Kavalyan complete on the side of the bank of Rijupalika near the Jimbik village after the fasting and the practice of 12 years. Therefore, is called Kavalyan. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. आदिनाथ तो मिलिंदनाथ पार्श्वनाथ का स्नैक है. पार्श्वनाथ का स्नैक तो सी का 3. तो ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा वैसे ही. तो आदिनाथ अच्छा, ऋषभदेव को आदिनाथ बोलते हैं. बुल, मिलिंदनाथ वाटर जार, पार्श्वनाथ स्नैक, शंभवनाथ हॉर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ 3 jewels, right faith, right knowledge, the glory of Jainism means are right to be importance Importance of moksha in Jain philosophy: right faith, right action, right knowledge. These three are named as Tritara. In Jain religions, freedom from the foundation effect of civil. The destruction of karma is the nurjara element. Question number 17. Tritharana of the three jewels, that is right knowledge, right faith, and right action, are related to which of the following? Jainism. Question number 18. The conduct of Anuvarta was advocated by Jainism. In Jain philosophy, the person are very needy to uplift their souls, and hence the sacrifices all worthy in enjoyment, and adopt five great words: Mahavats, Asham, Satya, Brahmacharya, Asteya, and Aparigraha. Mahavarta are difficult to follow the general human beings, so the follow Anuvarta. That is Ahimsa Anuvarta, Satya Anuvarta, Brahmacharya Anuvarta, Asteya Anuvarta, and Aparigraha Anuvarta. Ahimsa Anuvarta, Satya Anuvarta, Brahmacharya Anuvarta, Asteya Anuvarta, and Aparigraha Anuvarta. Syadvad is doctrine of Jainism. Mahavir Swami was the 24th Trinkara of Jain religion. He denied the unmanliness of Vedas and opposed the related social, cultural, traditional harm by living the exclusive belief of selfish, and the atheist accepted the middle path known as the Aniketwad or Syadvad. Syadvad is also known as the name of Saptabhangi, which means knowledge is relative. Syadvad is related to Jainism. 21. Anekatwad is core theory of philosophy of which of the following? Jainism. Anekantwad is the core theory of philosophy of Jainism, is also known as the Saptabhangi theory. Saptabhangi theory. Anekatwad, Saptabhangi theory. Question 22. With reference to the religious practice in India, Asthankavasi sect belongs to Buddhism. Asthankvansi sect of Jainism. Asthankvansi sect belongs to Jainism. Asthankvansi sect of Shwetambar Jainism. It was founded in 1476 AD. This sect originated from its predecessor reformist sect, Longka, that was founded by Longkha. It believes that idol worship is not. Question 23. The Jain philosophy holds that the world is created and maintained by universal law. As per the Jain belief, universal law is essential and rule for the universe, and all its substance are element. Change previous. Maintained by universal law. Question: form given way to new ones without losing their inherent qualities. Jain believed that the universe is without beginning or end. The universe did not begin and end at any time. There is no need of some element to manage the affairs of the universe. The universe runs on itself according to the cosmic laws. Question number 24. Which of the following religion does not trust in the concept of final annihilation of the world? Jainism. Final annihilations of the world. The basic point of Jainism is non-violence. Jainism is also known as the religious ahimsa, non-violence. Ahimsa suppresses all concept, ideologies, ruler, customs, and practice. Ahimsa, Anekvada, Aparigraha, cardinal principle of Jainism. Japania was the sect of Savists. Jainism is also known as the religion of ahimsa, non-violence. Ahimsa suppresses all concepts, ideologies, rulers, customs, practice. Ahimsa, Anekvad, and the Aparigraha are the cardinal principles of Jainism. Japania was the sect of Jainism. Japania was a sect of Jainism religion which believed to have originated from Digambar. Japania. However, they are also used to follow certain Shwetambar opinion. The Japania worship nude image of the Tirthankara in their temples. Question 27. Which of the following the earliest holy book of Jainism? 12 Angs, 12, 14 Angs, C. 14 Purvas. The 14 Purvas is ancient Jain scripture which was preached by all Tirthankara at the time of the last non-world. Sambhuth Vijay and the Bhadrabahu were the president of the Sangha. These two were the last person to know about the ancient Jain text 14 Purvas given by Mahavir. Question 20. In which of the following language was the earliest Jain literature compiled? Ardh-Magadhi. All the religious Jain literature has been written in the specific branch of Prakrit language. Its 12 angs were in the Ardh-Magadhi. These holy books are finally compiled in 6th century AD Vallavi near Gujarat. Today the Jain literature has been translated in almost every language. Ardh-Magadhi. Question number 20. Which of the following place is known as the place of pilgrims because migrated Parshvanath, Pava or Shamad Sikha? Parshvanath is 23rd Tirthankara Jainism. Parshvanath was born to King Ashwasena and Queen Vama of Varanasi. He belonged to the Ikshvaku dynasty. He lived the formal prince of Varanasi at the age of 30. He renounced world become monk. He meditated for 84 days before attaining Kevala Jana. He achieved Parinirvan Sammasika. That's why this place also known as the place of pilgrims for Jains. Which one of the following is not part of early Jain literature? Tirghata, Terighata, Terighata नहीं है. Akran Gausutra, Shatrakargarita. The Terighata of Buddhist scripture in which the early runes, their scripture are told with revealing the deeply human address. Question 31. Who was the first founder of Shwetambar Creed during the first partition of Jain? Shwetambar North. अस्तुलभद्रा जो नॉर्थ में ही रह गया. श्वेतांबर दिगंबर के साथ आ गया भद्रबाहु. About 115 years after Lord Mahavir departure, when Bhadra Goswami was the head of the religious order and the ruling over Magad, Patliputra, the capital city, became the center of learning and knowledge. At that time, there occurred a severe famine that seemed to have during that period of shortage and the scarcity. It was hard of Jain monks to observe the code of conduct. Bhadra Goswami therefore decided to migrate the south along with many followers. For hard to remember wherever they learned. Vulnerable Astulbhadra had most of those the north. Astulbhadra north में used to our body. Mostly unclaimed. The latter took pride there being the Digambar, which means those on the side come to known Shwetambar on account of Shwetambar था अस्तुलभद्रा का जो नॉर्थ में रह गया. दिगंबर साउथ में आ गया. उससे दिगंबर भद्रबाहु के साथ. द फर्स्ट डिसाइपल लॉर्ड महावीर वाज जमाली, जो उनके सन इन लॉ भी थे. अमंग द अर्ली visitors Mahayana during the wandering was Jamali, his son-in-law. Jamali met Mahavira while the latter was in Kshatriya. Kundalgram, the village where Mahavira was born, the two together now were together with the 500 of the warrior caste. Jamali was the first disciple of the Lord Mahavir. Who was the first Lord Mahavir? Jamali. Shwetambar was finally edited in the Jain Council of Vallavi. About 150 years. ये तो ठीक है पढ़ ली. क्वेश्चन 35. स्टेटमेंट 1. द श्वेतांबर कैनन इंक्लूड 12 अंग्स. ये तो सही है. अकॉर्डिंग श्वेतांबर ट्रेडिशन द अंग्स वेयर काउंसिल हेड ऑफ वल्लभी. ये भी सही है. श्वेतांबर कैनन इंक्लूड 12 अंग्स. दीज आर कैनोनिकल ट्रैक्ट्स ऑफ जैनिज्म. टीचिंग ऑफ देयर कंप्लीशन स्टार्टेड वन काउंसिल हेल्ड पाटलिपुत्रा. दे वेयर फाइनली कंपेल्ड वल्लभी काउंसिल पर रेडी. Question number 36. Consider the following statement. Vardhaman Mahavir mother was the daughter of Lichavi king Chetaka. ये भी सही है. गौतम बुद्ध मदर वाज ए प्रिंसेस फ्रॉम कल्याण डायनेस्टी. ये भी सही है. पर्सन 23rd तीर्थंकर बिलोंग टू. ये भी सही है. C1 2 और 3 सही है. अच्छा डॉटर नहीं सिस्टर थी, सॉरी थी. Mahavira was born 599 BC in a village named Kundalgram near Vaishali in Bihar. Mahavira's original name was Vardhaman. His father Siddharth was the head of the Gayatrika Kshatriya clan under the Vajji of Vaishali, and his mother Trishala was the sister of Chetaka, the king of Lichavi. Mahavir It was also related to Bimbisar, the ruler of Magad, who married Chelana, the daughter of Chetaka, Lord Gautam Buddha's mother, Maya. Dhan's wife was a Kolyan princess. Parshvanath was born to King Ashwasena and Queen Vama Varanasi. अच्छा, लिच्छवी चेटका जो थी लिच्छवी के किंग, सॉरी चेटका जो की सिस्टर थी त्रिशला, ठीक है। महावीर वाज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड बिम्बासीर द रूलर ऑफ मगध हु मैरिड चेलना। बिम्बासीर जो था मगध का रूलर था, वो चेलना से शादी किया था। द डॉटर जो चेटका की डॉटर थी, यानी कि चेटका की डॉटर हुई कौन? चेलना, जो बिम्बासीर की वाइफ थी। Question number 37. With reference to ancient Jainism, which one of the following statement is correct? Jainism was, तो ऑप्शन सी सही है इसका। Jainism enjoyed the patronage of the Kalinga king Kharvela in the 1st century BC. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is applicable to Jaina doctrine? तीनों ही सही है। द surest way of the inhalating karma is to practice penance. Every object, even the smallest practice, has a soul. Karma is the bane of the soul and the must be ended. Jainism believe that each object, even a particle, has a soul. They also uphold the universal law of karma. According to this law, every action through the world of deed produce an effect within a turn service as the cause of another action and so on. This chain of cause and effect is known as karma. It follows that the state of the soul at any given time is due to the karma accumulated over countless ages. Karma not only encompasses the causally of transmigration but also is conceived as an extremely stable matter vehicle. Question 30. Which of the following statement is applicable to Jain doctrine? The surest way of annihilating karma is to practice. Every object, even the smallest practice, is a soul. Karma is the bane of the soul and the most of the ended. Question number 39. Samadhi Maran is related to which philosophy? Jain philosophy. Samadhi Maran. Samadhi Maran Shalekhana Sanyasa Maran is the last vow prescribed by the Jain ethical code of conduct. The view of the Samadhi Maran is observed by the Jain ascetics and votaries. At the end of their life of gradually reducing the intake of the. It is allowed when normal life is not possible due to the old age, incurable disease, or when a person is nearing his end. Question number 40. Consider the following statement. The Ikshvaku rulers of southern India were towards Buddhism. The Pala ruler of eastern India were patrons of the Buddhism. ये भी सही है, दोनों सही है. During 3 and 4th century, Ikshvaku dynasty ruled over southern India. Through Ikshvaku, southern India followed the Vedic religion but also supported the Buddhism religion. Bengal emerged as the prominent Buddhism polar religion behind the Ajivika was sect founded the Anand Mokhali Gosala. Was a disabled Mahavir an early prayer with a disabled Mahavir due to the difference of the opinion with him and founder of the independent. The belief of the sect is known as the Niyatwad, according to which every matter in the world. 40. Who among the rendered that fate ascend everything human is incapable? Ajivikas. The sect which believe in the abiding nature of destiny is Ajivika. The sect which believe in the abiding nature of destiny, Ajivika. Lakulusha, Nagarjuna, भद्रबाहु, गौशाला तो आजीविका हो जाएगा डी का 1, तो ए या बी हो जाएगा। भद्रबाहु जैन, ठीक है। गौशाला आजीविका। लकलुषा पशुपत। नागार्जुन शून्यवाद, अच्छा शून्यवाद, डॉक्टर ऑफ वाइड। Question 45. Who used the caves of Barabar as their first shelter house? Ajivika. The act of cutting, maintaining caves and developing them as a resident was fully developed during the period of Asoka and his grandson Dasarath. Residents were made for Ajivika's followers after cutting his hills of Barabar and the 14 question 46. Which one of the following is not true about the Barbar Hill caves? वह क्वेश्चन है बेसी, बाकी ये गलत नहीं, बाकी सब सही है. सही कौन कौन है? देयर आर इन ऑल 4 caves one of the Barbar hills. Inscription of Ashoka are found on the walls of 3 caves. These inscriptions inform us about the dedication of these caves to the Ajivikas. Barbara caves were located at a distance of approximately 30 km from Gaya. These caves are hollowed out from rocks from the monks to live in. There are 4 caves on the Barabar hills. Inscription of Ashoka are found on the walls of 3 caves. These caves are used by a sect from the Ajivika sect founded by Mukhali Goshala. These rocks cuts and 47 हो गया. 46, 47. The famous pilgrims Buddhism as well as the Jain Uttar Pradesh is Kaushambi. Present Kaushambi district of Prayagraj on Purab, located 30 miles away from the southwest Prayagraj. Kaushambi has been mentioned several times of Vedic and Jain literature. According to Purans, Nikakusu, a 6th century, 6th in line from Parakishtu, transformed his capital from Hastinapur of Kaushambi, as Hastinapur was evacuated by the flood. Locusts and Pevulu in the Kuru family. Itself, according to Jain text, Kaushambi was named due to an excess of Kaushambi tribes in town. It is the famous sites of Jainism and Buddhism. Mahatma Buddha preached many times in this city and made a number of disciples here. Jainism and Buddhism. There are many monasteries found here, but most famous among them are Ghoshimitra Monastery, which was built by Shrestha Ghosh. Which one of the following statement is not correct? एक गलत नहीं है, तो बाकी जो सही उसको पढ़ लेते हैं. इंडिया लार्जेस्ट बुद्धिस्ट मोनास्ट्री इज इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, ये सही है. द खजुराहो टेम्पल वाज बिल्ट अंडर चंडेला किंग, ये भी सही है. द होयसलेश्वरा टेम्पल इज डेडिकेटेड टू शिवा. श्रवण और द लास्ट तीर्थंकर जैन वाज महावीर स्वामी. हेंस who built Gometeshwara statue at Sarvanbalagola? Who built Gometeshwara statue Sarvanbalagola? Chamundarya. Mahamastak Vishakarma, a great religious event, is associated with and done for one of the following: Bahubali. Mahastasvashikama, which is great religious event, is this ceremony used to held in the interval of 12 years. Sarvanbalagola, Tuan in Karnataka. There is a huge statue of God saint of Gometeshwar Bahubali. Its height is 57 feet. Mahashatkam Vishakarma, great religious event, is associated with and done for who of the following: Bahubali.